history of your own heart. While tradition meaningfully links our past or present, memories possess the unique power to transform fleeting experiences into enduring legacies. We invite you to journey alongside Alice, unlock your mind's deepest wonders, and behold memories in motion.
As I reminisce, I think about what makes a day great. Is it the rush of adrenaline? The sound of laughter? Or the anticipation of what's to come? For me, it is something more, something far more precious.
Whoa! That's awesome.
I remember it just like it was yesterday. Little did I know, it would turn out to be a day to remember.
Hey guys, I'm bored. I don't want to wait for summer away. I want to do something fun.
Me too. What are you guys thinking?
I don't know.
I know. Let me see if Mom will let me borrow the car. We could all go down to Great America. That's a great idea. I love it. Let's go. All right.
There's so many days in a year, just so many laughs and tears. Only so much time to show someone you know just how you feel. Great America.
Woo!
Great day is just what you need this year. Give me a great day, a day to laugh and live, a day to have, a day to
What can we do first?
Part of me wanted to run right to the eagle, but tradition is tradition.
I know. Let's start at the beginning.
Yeah.
The carousel.
All right.
I love that idea.
Let's go.
I'll race you. And wait for me.
It takes us along as it spins to a song. It's a daydream. Can you come on along now? To the carousel, catch a glass ring from love. Meet a special girl. Hold her hand and take a journey on a merry-go-round. It's magic when you're around. Hide a smiling stone, decked out in jewels, your knight in shining armor dress. It's all make-believe, but no one will tell. Enjoy your ride on the carousel. Take a journey on a merry-go-round. It's magic.
begun. After our ride on the carousel, we knew it was time to chase some thrills. We thought we were prepared, but then we came face to face with the demon.
Living life better take a little time to meditate. Cause he's waiting, he's a doer. It's time to change your mind, 'cause soon you're gonna find out you're on a trip. And on the grip of a demon. Have you ever seen the demon? Have you ever heard him scream? He's the demon. What you see are just a bad dream in your mind. You're gonna find out. Really brave, gotta see the demons, can't you see me doing? You're only food for the demon. Didn't he tell you the demon can smell you? You're delicious, delicious. Demon. Don't look over your shoulder, just when you're feeling older, he'll be there in the air. The demon's so demanding, so have this understanding that you're gonna die. You're gonna find out. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon.
After surviving our run with the demon, we decided to chase a few
So
friendly
cool.
faces, and I knew just where to find them.
Woohoo!
we would never forget. And right then and there, I knew that we would come back to this place every summer.
And we did. We grew up with Great America, and Great America grew up with us. Now, these cherished memories from our childhood are shared with our family.
While these great moments may pass, great memories will live with us forever. Where it's a ride on the carousel, facing the demon, or dancing with friendly faces,
We know we are going to have a great day.
today and for the next 50 years to come.
Wow. Cool. Time for a parade.
Six Flags Great America in just a few minutes. Our 50 Years of Thrills Parade will begin. Please stick around and celebrate with us. Thank you.